Imagine hiccuping non-stop for 68 years. Charles Osborne did just that, enduring a ceaseless hiccup attack from 1922 until 1990. It all began with a simple accident while attempting to weigh a hog, triggering a reflex that spiraled out of control. With an estimated 430 million hiccups over his lifetime, Osborne's persistent plight puzzled doctors and captivated the world. Despite numerous attempts at cures, from experimental surgeries to bizarre home remedies, nothing worked. His tenacity became legendary, and he adapted to life with his perpetual companion, even learning to speak and breathe amidst the relentless spasms. Osborne's story isn't just about an extraordinary medical anomaly, it's a testament to human resilience and the bizarre twists our bodies can take, reminding us of the mysterious mechanics within us and the indomitable spirit to carry on despite life's incessant hurdles.